Hello again and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to look at a quick and easy way of making castings with silicone moulds using hot glue. To start with, I'm using a relatively simple mould. I purchased this glue gun from a florist supplies and it has a fine nozzle, so it should be good for getting into all the little nooks and crannies of the mould. I'm just carefully starting to fill the mould with hot glue. It does use up quite a bit of the glue stick. I'm trying to make sure that I get the glue into all the details of the mould. I use the nozzle to move the molten glue to the edges of the mould. It's important to work quite quickly before the glue cools and sets. I also have this quite intricate mould with some deep areas, and I'm curious to see how well hot glue works in it. Now that the glue has cooled and set, I'm going to carefully demould them. They come out of the silicone moulds quite easily, and as you can see, there's a good amount of detail on the casting, which should look quite good when painted. The cherub mould is now cool enough to demould. I'm just going to gently prise the cast from the silicone, and they also pop out quite easily. There we have a couple of quick embellishments ready for painting and using in a project. It's a little bit messy and not my favourite way of casting moulds, but if you're in a hurry, it's a good way to make embellishments quickly. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to see more. Thank you for watching.